Namah Shivaya. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. Solar-powered humans. So here, I'm going to share with you some miraculous things, miraculous facts about this place. These holy, rivers, these waterfalls, and I'm going to tell you a secret today. What I experienced as I was in Himalayan ranges, caves for years together, lineage, Devraha Baba. So the miraculous things which I am going to share with you is the holy water of this place and the people now. See, as usual and as a part of my routine, I am doing my practices in these enchanting valleys. And I told you, I keep meeting angel-like people. So today I am going to introduce you to a person. His name is Bhima. So as the Mahabharata goes, Lord Krishna, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, wherever you see prosperity, the power, the valor, the bravery, the power of intelligence, even you can say it's nuclear power, then compassion, it's all God everywhere. So it's my effort. As in our childhood days, we used to become excited whenever we see something, miraculous, wonderful, we try to share with. And now, as the Westerners have given us this, technology, the flying planes, everything has become globalized. So let's share this nectar of Bali. These these spiritual things, these nectarous things. So we welcome you here. I am learning from these people. Oh, it's no exaggeration. They are by nature. Nature has gifted them the power of healing. They are wonderful healers. If it won't be an exaggeration to say that even in their company, their vibrations, and especially these holy waters here. Oh, miraculous, really miraculous, I'm telling you. My experiences. When I was in caves, doing the topmost kriyas, headstands, asked together, Vajroli, Khechri, remaining in like hibernation on the caves, breatharian. So here we welcome you because the best thing I've experienced here is nothing like the holy water and the company of these angel-like people. So here we go. Let's talk to Mr. Bhima. As Mahabharata, you can see. Oh, wonderful. May God bless him. So Bhima, could you please tell something about this place? Here Bhima is with us.
Hello everybody. I'm Bhima from Bali. Welcome to magical place. So here we call the name is Pancoran Bulan. It's good for your clean your spirit and body. And selamat datang di Pancoran Bulan. Tempat untuk menyucikan diri, lahir dan batin.
So here is the message. See, actions speak louder than words, in spite of the fact that these Balinese people, they are gifted with the miraculous power, and I couldn't resist myself. I wanted to share these miraculous things with you. So most welcome, as I have learned a lot from them, because spiritualism is something which it can be transmitted. So let's enjoy the company of these angel-like people and practice yoga in their company and at the most this holy water. See here. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So here we'll be in the company of Bhima and other healers. We welcome you to this place. Solar-powered humans, Yogi Vinodanand, Cave Yogi, most welcome to Bali. Okay, Bhima? Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. May God bless Bali, all these Balinese, these angel-like people. Om Namah Shivaya. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.